Hey guys, what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today it has been a while since I've actually done a video. I've had a lot of saved videos because I knew going back to work was going to take up a lot of my time and energy, and it did. But today I have a different haul. So I have done Dollar General hauls and things like that in the past. But this time, so it was Saturday, and I was like, man, I just, so every Saturday they have $5 off, like $25 or more. And I knew that they had really good coupons on the digital app. So I was like, not paper coupons or anything, like just the digital app. And I was like, I'm just not going up there. It's like 7 o'clock at night. And so I was like, and so that was Saturday. So coupons expired the next day. And so I wasn't going that night. So all those good coupons would have expired. So I said, well, let me just go through their digital app. So I opened the Dollar General. I'm sorry, hold on one second. So sitting on my couch at home in my pajamas, I shopped. I opened the Dollar General digital app. It's just the app that I had downloaded to my phone, just the Dollar General plain old app. And then I looked to make sure that the store was the store that I go to, which is our Wilmot store. And so it was on that. So then I just started going through the coupons, which I did not know that if you do an online order on Saturday, you can still get the 5 off 25. So I did get that. And so I like I said, from my home in my pajamas, I went through and checked all the good deals. And this is one of the reasons, going in store, it does make it so you can look at it and see if it's already on a little bit of a sale, and then a coupon will get you more. But I always have problems when I get to the register. I can never remember what it was supposed to ring up as, and was it supposed to be this or this? And so I usually miss a couple coupons. But online, I could 1000%, I could look and be like, okay, that's the right price. That's the right price. Oh wait, that's not the right one. So then you click on the item and it will say what coupons attached to it, and you just push it, which one you want. It's not hard. So I literally was just laying there and I was like, okay, so I wanted to go through and see what coupons they had. And so I went, I knew I needed toilet paper. I knew I needed paper towels. So with some other things I wanted. So I went through and I was like, okay, I'll get that. And then I clip that coupon, and I'll get that, and I'll clip that coupon. You guys, I could not believe how much I saved. So that was Saturday night. So then obviously Sunday morning, some of those coupons were gone. And then Sunday started a new round of coupons. And so I said, well, before I go up there, let me make another order, because there was other stuff again that I needed with the new coupons for Sunday. And that one did not have the 5 off 25, but it doesn't matter. So I went through again and I placed another order. So you guys, I could not believe how much I saved. And then I went through the store once I got there to see if there was anything that I wanted that wasn't on, that I hadn't already bought. But this is by far the way I'm going to do couponing now. It was so easy. And like I said, I could see if I missed it, because when you go to your cart, it shows you the total of what it is. And then it'll tell you what it is now. So the original price, then it'll tell you what it is now. And then if you push the bottom, it says deals applied, and it'll tell you what coupons it took off and what they attached to and everything. Sorry, my son was just coming up trying to take the chips that I had just got. So anyways. So I just shopped from home and all my coupons went through. Do you want me to do those first so you can have them? Okay. So I picked up, they had a coupon, I believe it was 2 for $5 or something. But again, all of these ones that I'm going to show you, I will tell you what the coupon price was. But then remember, I got $5 off of my full total because it was 5 off of $25 or more. So I believe that my ending total for this, so the one problem is they don't give you receipts if you do it online. So I had to try to write everything on my paper. So I believe my total after everything for what I'm going to show you right now was $22. And it said I saved $27. So that is amazing. So anyways, I picked up the Sun Grain Harvest Cheddar chips, the Sun chips. And I picked up some nacho cheese Dorito chips. So both of these together, I believe it was 2 for $5, but then, well, it was 2 for $6, and then I had a $1 off coupon, which was $5, and then the 5 off 25. So these were $4.23 for both of these bags total. So here you go. Put both of them, please. Thank you. Okay. And then let me see the next thing on my list here. So I have everything written down, but I don't have like it in order. These were the 1000% the reason that I wanted to do the deal on Saturday night, because it expired Sunday morning. And it was these. And there was like a glitch on the system. And so I do not know what these are normally. Too expensive for me, obviously. And I think these go to the Dawn Spray or something. What do they go to? Easy Squeeze. I don't know. Oh, it goes on to remove seal, squeeze for 2 seconds, store cap down. Oh, okay. I don't know. Anyways, so this is 12.2 fluid ounces of Dawn Platinum Easy Squeeze, 4 times faster, grease cleaning. And for both of these total, I paid $2.37, and not each, but that's total. So that's like, let's see, 115 and 115 is 230. So I paid like $1.17 for each of these. Yeah, because of how the coupon was doing. And again, I could see that I could see what the price was. So as in the store, if this would have messed up and not been that price, and it wouldn't have like attached to this or something, I wouldn't have really noticed. But because I was doing it online, I could see the exact price, and I could decide if I wanted to add it to my cart or not. So I picked up these for, I think, like I said, $1.17 each. So $2.37 for both of these, which is an amazing deal. Now I just have to figure out where I'm gonna put it. And then let's see, my next one is, I got peanut butter. We always need peanut butter, and I cannot believe how expensive it is. It's crazy. But this right here, the Jif peanut butter, 16 ounces after the coupon and the 5 off 25, I paid $1.67 for this peanut butter, and it is 16 ounces. So I love peanut butter and banana. I eat it almost every day. Oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. So sorry, I have to look. This is not it. It might be. Hold on. Oh, dang it. It's going to be all the way down there. I'm going to have to go down there and get it. So this right here is 6 paper towels, the Viva paper towels. It may not have been a good deal. For me, it is. And I paid $4.95 for all 6 of those. And there was a coupon. I paid $3.41 for the Scott toilet paper. Sorry, I was looking around to see what we got over here. So for 12 rolls of the Scott toilet paper, it's normally $5, and I paid $3.41. I did get a thing of nail polish that I used last night on my date night. If you saw my community tab, my husband and I went on a big old date night. You guys, like, if you've ever looked at my videos and you see like how disgusting and stuff my nails are, I'm not showing you like absolutely everything I got at the Dollar General. I'm just showing the stuff I got deals on. So I picked these up, and they were, I believe they were $3.55 a package. So, but there was 24 nails in them. So for $3.55, I got these, and they've been on since yesterday. And y'all, my nails do not stick on. So these are just the press-on kiss nails with glue underneath them. So, and I still have a whole nother set in there. And it was $3.55 for 24 nails. So I was at first sad that I didn't go to the Dollar Tree to get them, but everyone says you have to get 2 packages from the Dollar Tree, so that would be $2.50. And I mean, it was still $3.55, but I was perfectly fine with it. So, because like I said, they have so many nails in there, so I just got myself a little thing of press-on nails. Super excited about that. Anyways, I got a little thing of nail polish, which is just a normal size of nail polish, for 1 penny, because it was only $1 and the coupon was for $1, and they have to charge you something. So I got it for a penny. And again, I even got that online. Like, I literally went to, it's a, I think it's Beauty, $1 off for a nail polish. So I clicked on that, and it went and showed me all the things that the coupon attached to. So I clicked the $1 coupon, I clicked the $1 nail polish, and in my cart it said 1 penny. So like, I already knew how much I was paying for it. I did pick up 4 of these. So these are the 6 packs of the 16.9 fluid ounce of the sodas, and I paid $6.74 for all 4, which is an amazing deal. I mean, that's like $150. 3, 6, it's a little bit over, like $175 each. So that is an awesome deal also. I'm gonna have to, hold on 1 second, guys. You can look at my stuff back here. I thought I had grabbed everything, and I did not. Okay, let me see. Hold on 1 second, I'm sorry. Okay, and then I did pick up 2 boxes of cereal. No. And So usually the cereal does sell out, so you have to be careful about getting those. But so this one right here, I don't remember. I think the coupon, I don't remember what the coupon was. But anyways, I clicked it. And so for 2 of these, the Trix, my kids love them, and so do I. If I am really craving something, I will eat Trix or something. So for 2 boxes of cereal, the regular size, 10.7 ounces, I paid $3.18. So I thought that was really good. So for both of them, I paid that. So I paid like $1.60 each or something. So there's that one. So that was the coupons that I used on Saturday. So then again, when I went, and I did not go pick them up. So then on Sunday morning before I went, I placed another order. And on that one, oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm lying. I did pick up something else on that order. Yes, okay. I picked up 4 of the Pringles, 5.5 ounces in different flavors. And for all 4 of them, these ones, I don't know. I feel like I did do the math wrong on this receipt. But for all 4 of them, I paid $4.23 total. So I paid like $1.05 or something. I don't know. So I got 4 things of Pringles. Okay, so that's what I got on Saturday. And then let me show you. So can you open the back door for them so they'll stop running into it, please? Sorry. Thank you. So then on Sunday, again, before I went, I decided I wanted to place another order. So they quite often have this deal like spend $30 on Gain products and get $5 off. Not really the greatest deal, but so many of the things alone have their own coupons. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So, like this right here, excuse me. I'm just seeing if it's leaking. Don't try to stick your head in there. No, goodbye. Excuse me. So Febreze had a $1 off coupon. So this was, I think, like $2. 1 second, I'm looking. Febreze. So I believe this was $2.50 or something. So it's a Gain product. So the full $2.50 went towards my $30 Gain total. But because it's Febreze, I also got the $1 off coupon from Febreze. So do you see what I'm saying? So if I hit my $30 total, so now at this point, I've hit my $30 total and I've gotten the $5 off for the Gain and the $1 off for Febreze. So now I'm down $6. Larry, you didn't even give him time to want back in. Okay, so I paid $1.50 for this. And then on these, they had a Swiffer coupon, but they also had a Gain coupon, so it attaches to both. So this one, let me see, because I did pick up two different ones. So let's see, this one has how many? Sorry, let me see, because I have to see which one this is. So this one has 12. Okay, so this is the Swiffer. So after all the coupons, there was a Swiffer coupon and there was the Gain coupon. This one was actually free. So this is normally $10, and so this one was free after all that. So toilet paper just fell. It's okay, I'll get it. So this is the Swiffer Wet Mopping Cloths Gain Scent. And it has 12 in here, and they're the heavy duty ones. Yeah, so this has 12. So this was free because of all the coupons I had. And let's see, so this one is the heavy duty Swiffer Wet Mopping Cloths. So this also added to my Gain $30 total, and I got a Swiffer coupon. So that one, this one right here was $4.25 after all of that. So I got that. And then this one, this fabric softener right here was $2.04 after my coupon. So this is Gain fabric softener, 41 fluid ounces. And it was the Aroma Boost also had a coupon. So I think it was $2 off one Aroma Boost of 40 ounces or larger. So again, I got the $5 off because it was Gain of my total of 30, plus I got the $2 off because it was an Aroma Booster. So I paid $2 for that. Well, $2.04. And then this one is Gain fabric softener, 90 fluid ounces, and I paid, they're all going, $3.77. I think that's an amazing deal. I mean, it is, like I said, 90 fluid ounces. So again, it was $3.77. And then because this is also Gain and this was only $1 and it's 8 fluid ounces, I paid 77 cents for this, and it is 8 ounces of the Gain soap. So let me see if that's all of them. Swiffer, Febreze, Swiffer, fabric softener. Yes. So those are all my coupons, you guys. Like I said, my first total, I saved $27, and that was my total was $22. This one, those are all the ones that were in my coupons, but I do want to show you just a couple more things that I picked up there, just, you know, for everyone to see. Oh, so I want to remind you that although I love the Dollar Tree and it's one of my favorite places, it is not always the best deal. So I picked these up, and they're just the plastic tubular hangers, and there's 6 of them. One second. And so the hangers at the Dollar Tree are $1.25. These are only $1. And there's 6 of them. The same amount as the Dollar Tree, except for these are only $1, and those are $1.25. Again, the soaps at the Dollar Tree are $1.25, and this was $1. They still have all their stuff. I picked up some cleaning supplies. This is 33 fluid ounces Pine Glow Lavender, which is also at the Dollar Tree. Love that place. Some things are a good deal, but it was $1. So already I picked up 3 of the hangers and these 2 things. So already I'm at like $1.25 that I saved, 1 free item. And then I picked up the LA's Totally Awesome All-Purpose Spot and Degreaser Cherry Blossom, 32 fluid ounces for $1. And I picked up this for my son just so he could try it, the Tag Spot Endurance Deodorants, $1. So remember, they still have a huge dollar section over there. And then these ones right here, I did forget these were not $1, but these were like $3.50 each, so it was $7. And then I had a $3 off coupon for 2 items, so I paid $4, so $2 for each of these, which is amazing. I love Garnier Fructis, so I did pay $2 each, but holy mackerel, I cannot believe how much like shampoo and conditioner is. So that was insane. But again, they had shampoo and conditioner there for $1, the same ones that are over at the Dollar Tree. So if you're just at the Dollar Tree and you have to pick up 1 or 2 things, that's fine. But if you have to pick up, like for me, I needed, you know, to get some deodorant, I needed to get some cleaner stuff, I needed to pick up some items like that. Remember, they have the dollar section still in their store. So good idea. But anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this. I have a Walgreens 80% off and couponing haul for you. I have a family dollar instead of a Dollar General. Excuse me. And I think that's it. And one Dollar Tree. I have all that going. But like I said, I just wanted to show you guys that I love Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree. But you all, like, that 25 cents adds up. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I picked up 7 things for $1. So that's 4 things is $1. Wait, yeah, 4 things is $1, and if I picked up 7, that's $1.75. I mean, if that keeps going, that adds up. So, anyways, guys, you're gonna see this today. Yay! First time in a while that I've done a video and uploaded it in the same day. But I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.